Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use a Play-doh on the table and make some robots. On the table I have this robot right here. Can you guys recognize who he is? He's from the movie Transformers. Yes, he is a member of Decepticon. We're going to make him today. Okay, let's name all the colors on the table first. We have gray, yellow, purple, red, blue, and green. Okay, are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. We're going to remove him from the sling. Here is. First, let's use the gray Play-doh. I'm going to flatten this out. And let's make our first robot. Cool. And he is gray. Next, we're going to use yellow Play-doh. Yay! Here's the second robot, guys. And he's yellow. Very cool. Next, we're going to use a purple Play-doh. Great! Here's the third robot. And he is purple. Yay! Next, we're going to use the green Play-doh. Okay, here's the fourth robot. And he's green. Cool. Next, we're going to use a red Play-doh. Cool, guys. Look at this. Here's a fifth robot. And he's red. Lastly, we have a blue Play-doh. Here's a Play-doh. Cool, look at this, guys. It is our sixth robot. And he is blue. Yay! Hey guys, we finally have 6 robots on the table. Let's name all the colors. We have gray robot, yellow robot, blue robot, red robot, green robot, and purple robot. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!